talk about how can you fix this problem on your Sonic Boom app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on settings, here click on it. So when you click here on settings here, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Sonic Boom app, or click here on search, then here add Sonic Boom. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for shop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do is so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.